Yo, what's going on, traders? Stockefeller back at you. It's been a while, you guys. A lot of people been asking where I've been at. I've been trying to open a new business, you guys. Working on a new business. Hopefully, gonna be opening it up in a couple months when all this Chinese virus stuff is over. So, anyways, today's video I want to talk about a few stocks that I see potential for a couple long trades, you guys. My first stock we're going to talk about is SQ Square. Square came out with earnings a few weeks ago. Their earnings they had decent earnings. They were worth above $70 a share. Square that came down with the rest of the market, you guys. The rest of the market right now, you guys already know, like, unless you've been under a rock somewhere, you guys already know the market's panicking. Everything's going crazy. It took 10 years to climb up, and it took 10 days to get down. Like, so much stuff going on. People losing their jobs. People losing a lot of things. People dying, you guys. A lot of, like, I believe that the market still has room to run, you guys. Like, even though this thing could get better soon, it could get a little worse before it gets better. So we still have to watch the panicking, you guys. You guys got to watch the Feds. You guys got to watch Trump to see what they're going to do. But that's more of the macro element, you guys. But as for where I see a little value in right now is SQ, you guys. SQ is a good stock to look at right now, especially if it stays above the $35 area, you guys. I'm calling it above 40. And maybe a quick day trade to maybe 48, 49, maybe 50 with a gap to fill strategy on a green day, you guys, with good news from the market, with like with the SPY in the green, with like most stocks in the green. You got to have like the same commitment from the market, so this could follow the market, because 3 out of 4 stocks, you guys remember, follow the market. So right now we don't have much. All we have is technical analysis left. All these companies do have good fundamentals, but if you think about it right now, there's a lot of companies on halt, a lot of companies on freeze, there's a lot of uncertainty. So what do we have left, you guys? We barely have technical analysis left. That's kind of the most important thing right now. Next season, earnings season, all these closures, you guys, are going to affect next season's earnings. So even with the market bouncing back, I know everybody's going to think we're going to have a quick recovery. I hope we do, but at the same time, in my opinion, I don't believe it's going to be that quick, because then all the earnings that are right now happening, I know a lot of governments are going to step up and help these companies out. But the earnings season next year might take down the stock market again with all these bad earnings coming out. So it's going to be a while, I believe, before we get up there to where we used to be at. But for the meantime, you guys want to have some good value trades. This is the time where people buy, you guys. This is the time where they say when there's blood in the streets. You know, I don't want to sound like that, but this is the time when they buy. And this is not the time where you sell. Like, I was thinking about shorting the rest of the market, but I don't want to short at the bottom. Like, if I want to short, I'll just wait. I'll wait till another top, or I'm going to wait to get to another bottom right now. And right now, with this market could be halted every 15 minutes. I even seen an article the other day they want to halt the market for 30 days. Some people are calling for it just to save the economy. So none of my trades are over like 20 minutes, you guys. Quick in and outs these days until we get a vaccine, until something happens with the Chinese virus. So SQ is one of them. I see Tesla's potentially a decent dip buy, you guys, right now. You guys already know Tesla was about $1,000 a few weeks ago. Tesla bounced off the $373 area. Tesla, Elon Musk came out and says, hey, we're ready to make whatever you need. And what else? Other company. And one more I had, you guys, for you. One more was, where we go? Disney, right here, you guys. Disney, I've been looking at Disney for a while, you guys. Disney closed their parks, but Disney has a lot of other businesses going on. But we're not watching for Disney for a bounce over here. What I'm waiting for is Disney to have another really, really bad panic to about $60. So we're going to create an alert at $60. If it holds 60, you guys, around 61, 62, so I can watch it for that day. until I want to see if it holds a 60. If it holds a 60, we're going to have room to at least $65, $66, you guys, on a green day with a good green, with good volume, good times and sales. Quick dip buy, you guys. Watch the macros. Watch the rest of the market. The reason why I see Disney as a good trade, they have good fundamentals. Their balance sheet's okay. They are in debt, but they're not as too bad as other companies, and they have a lot of potential in the technology space, in the movie space. They're getting a lot of customers. There's people at home right now, you guys, that what are they doing? They're watching Netflix, Disney, Roku, those kind of things. But I see Disney as a better buy right now. If it gets potentially the $60 area, if it cracks through 60, you guys, watch the $50 area for a good dip buy. And for you value investors out there, if there's a vaccine by then and the market starts jumping, this will be a good value buy also. So we looked at SQ, we looked at Disney, and we looked at Tesla. About Tesla, one more thing, you guys. One of the biggest rules. I'm not a registered or series holder yet, but so you don't take my advice as professional advice. Do your own due diligence. But these are the stocks that I'm looking for potential buy. So why do I have this area here like marked up? This is like the all-time low on Tesla right here, you guys. So that's why I have this here. But for the meantime, I'm watching again is the 200 moving average, and we're also watching the $200 area. If we can't get that buy above 469, above 500, you guys, remember our number one rule, cut losses quickly. If we can't get that buy up here, what do? We wait for it to settle. Even if it has a few more red days, you guys, let's say we get to 200, with all this uncertainty, you guys, there's going to be some type of bounce. Even with all this uncertainty, there's going to be shorts covering. I could be wrong, but you guys watch these levels, you guys. I know it's a far gap between the two levels I'm talking about, but with all this crazy volatility, you guys, anything, I've been saying this for years, anything could happen in the market, you guys. You might remember my NIO. Remember what I told you guys? And watch my video from like a month or two ago, how they're going to break this thing below $3. And even with this thing, even with bad earnings, this was going to go below $3. Look at that. Had my support here until it finally cracked. On earnings, they had 0.39 EPS per share on earnings. Didn't do too well, especially with this market going on. This is a Chinese company, you guys. They're built in China. China might be going back to work and everything, but we got to think about it. China hid the news for us. China locked up, they arrested the doctor, the whistleblower doctor. So we don't even know if China's telling the truth. I don't know. Everybody has their own opinion, but we don't know if China's even telling us the truth. If all their people are good and they don't have no more outbreaks, and we don't know that, you guys. This is what we hear from the news. This is what we hear from the media. So you guys always remember, trust but verify. So those are the three stocks I'm looking at, you guys. The rest of the watch list, I'm looking for a good bounce. Roku's having a great day today, you guys. A major squeeze on Roku today, and then another stock as a bonus, you guys, I want you guys to look at is Netflix, you guys. Now, you guys can do this on your own. I don't want to look at the charts, but look at Netflix for you value investors. Think about like even Roku and Netflix, the whole area right there. It's like with all this quarantine and everything, people are going to be staying home, watching Netflix, not doing a thing. So, could be a potential good buy on a first green day. On my strategy, you guys, is like on a first green day. Right now, it's kind of high for me to buy at, but it's filling the gap. So you want to watch the test of 100, you guys. But as a stock I was talking about is Netflix. Let me show you guys real fast Netflix. Maybe we have a couple more minutes. I gotta go, you guys. Gotta go see what happened with my lease. So Netflix is at $356, you guys. A couple weeks ago, it tested 300. So what I'm watching on Netflix is another kind of a panic and another test of 300. If it gets below 300, our next alert is going to be around $250, $200. My next alert is at $200, but you still want to watch the $250 area. I know it's kind of all over the place, you guys, today, but this is the crazy volatility that we're having in the market right now. Good luck to everybody. I'm probably going to be doing a live trade in a week or two, you guys, when I get back to, my mind back in the market. Everybody take care of yourselves. Keep that distance from each other. And I'll see you guys on the next one. For all you guys, remember the motto. Even if I don't do a video every day, don't forget the motto. Plan the trade, trade the plan. I'll see you guys in the AM. Peace out.